Yes, these documents are relevant today. It teaches the truth of these people's histories, and it should be included in the curriculum to further educate the younger generations of the history of their people.
And it should be included and taught because it's being pushed aside, it's being left back in history, it's kind of just being pushed aside, so we need to...
Forgotten. It needs, the life needs to be put back into these documents! Yeah!
I think these documents are actually quite important as of today. I mean, I just went through the exhibition today, and it was really interesting learning about how these documents have actually impacted or what they imply for New Zealand as a whole. I'm thinking that these documents will remain relevant for anywhere into the near future or the far future, and you know, it's up to us as New Zealanders to not only understand how these documents work, but also what it implies for New Zealand and our future.